How to make a castor oil gopher repellent. Gophers can destroy your lawn and garden in search of worms and other insects. The higher quality your soil, the higher the chances are that a gopher will be attracted to your garden. Fortunately, you can repel gophers simply using a solution of castor oil, dish soap and water. After mixing the solution, you need to spray it throughout your lawn and garden using a spray bottle or hose with a spray attachment. Things you will need: 8 ounces castor oil, 8 ounces dish soap, 1 gallon water, spray bottle or spray hose attachment. Mix the castor oil and dish soap until they become foamy. Add the castor oil and dish soap solution to a gallon of water, then stir well. Put the solution into a spray bottle or spray hose attachment and spray it throughout your lawn and garden. If it rains, you will need to spray the area again, because the rain will wash the solution away.